Hey guys, welcome back to this video. Come and join us as we are going to visit one of the 7 wonders of the United States, the Hoover Dam.
Good morning, everyone. Today we woke up bright and early, around 6 a.m. because we are heading to the Hoover Dam and the Grand Canyon West Rim. The Hoover Dam sits wedged into Black Canyon, holding back the force of the mighty Colorado River on the Nevada-Arizona border. It's an incredible feat of engineering built in just 5 years during the Great Depression.
Hey guys, so right now we are going to the Hoover Dam, and we are in the 𝐷𝐿𝐒 the bridge. This is where is the best part to see the Hoover Dam. This is my second time here because I was here 2017 with the tour bus, but this time me and Joe decided to drive over here so that we have more control of our time, and at the same time it's more cheaper. Originally called the Boulder Dam, it was constructed to prevent flooding in the area, to help with irrigation in the desert, and to generate hydroelectricity. If you're in Las Vegas, which is less than 35 miles away, visiting Hoover Dam is a must-do day trip.
It's incredible to think that the dam was built by hand in just 5 years and was finished 2 years ahead of schedule under budget. That just wouldn't happen nowadays.
When you come here in Hoover Dam, make sure to come here in 𝐷𝐿𝐒 Tillman Memorial Bridge. It's free parking. Just come here, and this is the view, the best view of the Hoover Dam right there. Come on guys, look. The 𝐷𝐿𝐒 Tillman Memorial Bridge, the second highest in the US, opened in 2010. The arching bridge now carries traffic between Nevada and Arizona states on its 4-lane highway. You can take a short walk up to the 840-feet bridge and walk across to take in the views of the dam with Lake Mead behind. It's a great spot for photographs.
Once you arrive at the Hoover Dam, you can take a self-guided tour or join a guided tour. A 1-hour tour which takes you deep into the interior tunnels of the dam can only be booked at the visitor center on the day, and only 20 persons are allowed per tour.
You see it under?
Yes. See the water.
Wow. See the water?
Yes, your fish.
Okay,
That's how it looks like.
Looks like a daddy swimming water.
Oh, wow.
Underwater.
Okay, careful.
Careful, don't climb, okay?
Oh, it's dangerous. Okay, careful. It's dangerous. Ready?
Did you see it, guys?
They're gonna go here. You can see it. You can see.
Wow,
You can
that's
see
the
it through
best
the rail.
view.
See, look. It's huge. Look at that. Careful,
So
guys.
this is where you come here if you just want to see the view overlooking right of the dam. But we're gonna go there in the later,
Wow.
Mamsi, to take a picture.
Yeah, look at that.
The kids are trying to see
See
it.
everything. You see it, Thunder?
Can you see it? Hey, come here, hold my hand. Come on.
Cars.
Here.
Corn. That's my corn.
Come on.
Wait, there's good. Good view.
Hello. I'm down. What time? I don't dare.
Everything. You see it, Thunder?
Can you see it?
Corn.
Hey, come here, hold my hand. Come on.
Cars.
Here.
Corn. That's my corn.
Come on.
Wait, there's good.
I'm down.
Good view.
Hello. I'm down. What time? I don't dare.
Okay, careful.
Careful, don't climb,
Careful,
okay?
Clementine. It's dangerous. Okay, careful. It's dangerous. Ready?
Did you see it, guys?
They're gonna go here.
So next, guys, we're gonna be driving, going to the lower part of the dam, and then we're gonna be taking a picture there to see the bridge too, a different view. After parking up, we passed the memorial of the 96 construction workers who lost their lives building the dam. Both features had a distinct Art Deco feel to them. Hey, Mama.
Coconut.
That's a palm tree.
Coconut.
It's a palm tree, guys.
No.
Okay, hold my hand. We're gonna cross the street. Look at those angels. There's angels, Thunder. You see it?
Don't finger camera.
Huh?
You'll be mad. Wow.
What can you say about the Hoover Dam?
It's grand.
Brad.
It's very grand. Guys, Hoover Dam is so grand and beautiful over here, and I think this body of water is Lake Mead. It's so amazing.
Wow, one of the 7 wonders in the United States. Look at that.
Oh, careful, guys.
I'm gonna show you the water.
The bridge behind me is the bridge where we walked earlier and take a picture over the Hoover Dam.
Going on the water. The water is the green water, and the mountains had to go on the mountain. I thought to walk, and we're on the temple.
Hoover Dam.
We're on the Hoover Dam,
Okay, come on, show us the Hoover Dam.
Where's Hoover Dam?
here,
Okay, walk.
here,
Show us the Hoover Dam.
here. This is the one.
Where is it?
This here. This is the Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam.
Can we go inside?
Yeah, we're gonna go inside.